Okay, now it works. All right, that's super exciting to know how much space I got left on my computer. This is 2.4 multi-step inequalities. So let's just go over all the steps that we're going to have. Okay, basically you're going to simplify first. So if you're going to simplify first, we're always going to do distribute property and then combine like terms. Okay. After that, we're going to kill fractions. So if there's any fractions, we're going to use either cross multiplication or just multiply by the denominator. Those are our two techniques to kill fractions. So this is just, that's what we do. So kill fractions. Then we're going to do step 1, which is add, subtract. And step 2, which is multiply, divide. Okay. Of course, this is the only step. This is pretty much the only step. And potentially this step. But usually it's just this step. These are the two steps that you might have to. This is where you might multiply or divide by negative. And when you multiply or divide by negative, what do? You switch the signs. Switch. Okay. Most people don't in the kill fraction stage. There are some people that do, because once you understand all these steps really well, you can do different things to make your life easier when you kill the fraction. Some people kill a fraction and kill a negative at the same time. So I don't want to say that you don't switch sides during this step, but most people don't do that. They wait to the last step. It just depends. But once you get really mature in your understanding of the steps, there are different things you can do to make your life easier. This kill the fraction thing is, if you can get this figured out, it will make your life so easy. So much easier going forward when you just think about things of, I want to make the fraction go away. This is how I do it. It just makes your life easier. So that's the steps. One thing that we're going to add to the add, subtract steps, we're not going to have x's on both sides today. We're going to do that tomorrow. And we're going to also have special answers tomorrow. So far, answers have been pretty easy. So we'll do that tomorrow. Today, we're just going to do this. So I'm going to just do an example of a problem that might be. All right. Let's see if we can get this solved using these steps. And let's see if we can graph it the right way. Okay. Is there a distribute property? No. Can we combine terms? Right here. These guys would be like. So that gives me what? A negative 1x? Or negative x, depends on how you write it. Okay. No fractions to kill, move on. Okay. There's a lot of ways to deal with this. Multiply by negative 1 both sides. Divide by negative 1 both sides. Just depends on how you like to do it. Either way, I'm going to do x. I got to switch the sign because I divided by negative. Okay. And is this right? Is that what I'm going to put on my number line? I feel like I'm not right. I just need to fill in the circle? Because that's included? Okay. All righty. Let's move on to the absolute hardest it's going to be today. Okay. Let's see if we can get that done. And if you remember, this makes the problem hard. See if you remember what to do with that. All right, let's see if I can do this first step right. Distribute property first. This is where most people mess it up. That's a negative 24. Because I'm distributing, the way I like to do it is I like to do it like this. So I know that I'm going to distribute the negative 3 to both. Okay, combine like terms, bam, bam. 2x minus 24, and then we should be able to work this out, plus 24, plus 24, 2x, and I don't have to flip the inequality at all. And it should be a circle this way, I think, right? Do I fill it in? Nope, because it doesn't have the or equal to part. So yeah, that's it. That is it.